think you know. Plants, think again. Welcome to Global Trees. These 5 plants have killed people. But number 1 is so terrifying that most people can't believe it's real. Number 5. Oleander, Nerium oleander, is a flowering shrub. It contains chemicals called toxic cardiac glycosides, which can lead to death when consumed. The cardiac glycosides in oleander affect the heart. These chemicals can slow the heart rate down. Some of these chemicals might also kill cancer cells. And trust me, the next one is even deadlier. Number 4. Water hemlock, Cicuta species, is one of the most toxic plants in North America, renowned for its rapidly acting, deadly poison, cicutoxin. All parts of the plant are highly poisonous, with the roots and tubers being the most concentrated source of the toxin. Now we're entering the truly dangerous plants. Number 3. Ricin is a highly potent, naturally occurring toxin found in the seeds of the castor bean plant, Ricinus communis. It functions by disabling cell ribosomes, halting protein synthesis, and leading to cell death. There is no known antidote, making exposure a life-threatening medical emergency. If you think that's scary, wait until you see number 1. Number 2. The suicide tree, Cerbera odolam, is a plant known for its extreme toxicity. It is native to India and Southeast Asia and contains potent chemicals that are hazardous to human health. Ingesting any part of this plant, particularly the seeds, is a medical emergency that requires immediate professional intervention. If you or someone you know is going through a difficult time or considering self-harm, please reach out for help. There are people who want to support you. Would you dare touch this plant for $10,000? And the last one, the Gympie Gympie, Dendrocnide moroides, is widely considered the world's most painful stinging plant, famous for inflicting intense agony that can last for months or even years. Native to Australian rainforests, predominantly Queensland, it belongs to the stinging nettle family. Here are the key facts about this infamous plant. The stinger. The plant is covered in fine, hair-like needles called trichomes that act like microscopic hypodermic needles. The neurotoxin. Touching the leaves injects a potent neurotoxin named gympiotides. Victims often describe the sensation as simultaneously being burned by hot acid and electrocuted. Extreme longevity. The pain from a single sting can linger and pulse for weeks or months. Even century-old dried herbarium specimens can still deliver an excruciating sting. It is commonly found in rainforest clearings and along logging tracks in eastern Australia, such as Lamington National Park. Comment the most dangerous plants number below. And don't forget to subscribe for more hidden secrets of nature.